Do you want to merge two photos in Photoshop? You're in the right video. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks. Alright, the first step is to drag the second photo into Photoshop. Adjust the size. Next, select the top photo and change its blending mode to screen. Then, click here and select this option. Go to Image greater than Apply Image. Set the blending mode to Multiply. Now select the image again. Choose the Brush tool. Set black as the primary color and white as the secondary color. Right-click, set hardness to 30% and size to 190%. Paint over the areas you don't want to be merged. In my case, the boat with the people. Finally, lower the opacity depending on how intense you want the merge to be. And that's it. If this video helped you, subscribe and leave a like. Thanks.